Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your system and securing configs. First, check Windows bitness so you use matching installers. It matters for drivers. Next, quit all audio apps and background audio services to prevent file locks. Then copy the Equalizer Apo config folder and your Apo config to another folder. This avoids losing presets. Once done, run the installer as administrator. Make sure to select the correct audio device for installation. This immediate prep avoids common permission and file lock crashes. You now focus on repairing the installation and restoring stability. Begin with control panels repair. If that fails, uninstall Equalizer Apo completely, reboot, then reinstall the exact same bit version. During setup, explicitly select the audio device you use. Mismatched targets cause startup crashes. After installation, load either the default config or your backup config to isolate config corruption if crash persists. Start with a clean default file to confirm the issue is config-related. This middle phase isolates software versus config. You finish by validating stability and addressing remaining causes. First, enable Equalizer Apo on a single target device and restart audio services or the PC to test. If crashes continue, update your audio drivers, or roll back to a previous driver version if the problem began after an update. Make sure Windows audio enhancements are disabled for that device, because conflicts can crash Apo. Finally, run Equalizer Apo with verbose logging and inspect the log for DLL or module errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.